This video is dedicated to what was known as the Geordie Gunners. It forms part of an attempt to get the regimental beanie to the summit of all 214 of the Wainwright Fells in the Lake District. I had to screenshot my map in two parts because for some reason it stopped recording halfway around, so I had to restart it. But I covered just over 10 miles with a climb of 2,332 feet in total. Well, got up at 4 o'clock this morning and I'm now climbing up one of the fells. I've gone to the northern fells, and this one is actually called Great Cockup. So I'm on my way up there. Some 360 footage from the drone at the top of Great Cockup. On the summit of Great Cockup, which is at 1,720 feet. Some more 360 footage from the drone on the top of Meal Fell. This is a 360 from the top of Meal Fell. The sun's quite bright now, and a lot of wind, which is perfect. That's the next fell I'm going to up there, which is Great Scar Fell. Second fell of the day, which is Meal Fell at 1,770 feet. Now some drone footage from the top of Great Scar Fell. Third fell of the day, Great Scar Fell at 2,131 feet. Now on top of my fourth fell of the day, which is Knot at 2,329 feet. This drone footage is looking at my approach to my fifth fell of the day, which is Bray Fell. This is a 360 view taken from the top of Bray Fell. Now on top of my fifth fell of the day, which was Bray Fell at 1,920 feet. My sixth and final fell of the day, which was Longlands Fell at 1,580 feet.